Srangsalo International Tourism Day no Rwgwi Agartala Ujjayant Palace eba State Museum o khwlaijakha Kaisa koksa Panda manjaka hasteni hastepha Indro shenere dinalo no khobui te kubun adongrok Abo haikena ashala koksa Panda paimani yagolo hasteni hastepha Indro shenere dinalo no khobui te kubun manjangne adongrok State Museum no berenai lekha
Historical Indian sculptures, paintings and tribal culture. The new museum also showcases the customs and practices of different tribes of Northeast India. The objects of the museum is also to make a center for active research and cultural activities. The most distinctive exhibits are from Pillar, which consists of sculptures of different culture and Hinduism and Buddhism from the period of 9th to 13th centuries. The well-crafted and modern bronze sculptures are of Mahalinga, Avalokiteshvara, Tara and Vishnu. The terracotta exhibits are from the Pillar and Amarpur sites and also from Bengal School of Arts. Tripura State Tribal Museum is a museum located within the premises of the Tribal Research and Cultural Institute at Agartala, India. The museum was conceived with the intention of promoting tribal heritage and culture. The exhibits of the museum are displayed under different sections: video wall, tribal life, diorama, and miscellaneous auditorium. Touch screen sketchups, natural history, art and crafts, anthropology and folk art section. The sculptures from the Tripura region fall into 4 principal categories: stone, wood, metal and terracotta. The collection of which are on display here are very rare. In my view, museums will reach the common man only if they update with new technology. If the QR code is set up, the visitors will understand about everything. If the headphones are set up, they will know about display item in a language they understand. The live experience can be really great, but it is difficult for even those abroad to come here and for information. So if the data of the antiques is digitized and put online, research, even those in far-flung areas, will find out by looking at them online. Online web portal to be updated. Students should be encouraged more and arrangements should be made for their visit here from local Tripura schools. In a frequent days, or you can identify frequent particular days for students with consistent of this thing, so that they can come and understand the rich culture and activities of the Tripura since long years.
Raja Khorang Nishimi Pronomni Kokthum, Chini Khorang.